This debate is proudly brought to you by Prudential Life Insurance Ghana and Junior Achievements Ghana.
Gabriel Bringer, representing Alpha Beta Christian College.
I'm in the person of Ajete Mary, St. John's Grammar School.
I am Victory Imano Akia for the Accra Academy.
My name is Joyce Jenkins Smith, a proud science student of the Great St. Thomas Aquinas Senior High School.
My name is Asante Ruth Echan from Morale Senior High School.
Retirement is inevitable. Let's face the facts.
I am a representative of the Accra Academy, speaking firmly against the motion that financial literacy should be the responsibility of the educational system and not parents.
Before you gain experience, you need knowledge to gain the experience. If you don't have the knowledge in the high school, how will you be able to practice in these jobs that you are going to do? Are you just going to be there and be a white elephant? That's a question for you to think of.
St. John's Grammar came up with a point of 81.75%. And Accra Academy came up with 83%.